I'm going to show you how to scan document from Canon printer TX7450 to your computer. This printer and computer, both of them are connected to the same network. Okay, both of them are connected to the same wireless network. Now, what I want to show you is how to scan document. Once you connect this printer to wireless network, you need to install the software, the image garden. Okay, the quick menu is to scan your document. You need to open up the scanner and stick the document you want to scan. Once you set up this printer, you need to make sure you store the driver and the software. So now this is the image garden. Okay, so to scan your document, you need to go to the image garden, open up image garden, okay, and click OK. So you can select to display image garden. Okay, so this is the image garden. Okay, now we just need to wait for this to be ready. Okay, to scan your document, what you need to do is showing us communication exit. Okay, to scan your document, you need to select scan from the image garden. Okay, if you want to print, you can also print from image garden. So select scan. Now stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner, close it. Okay, then from the top you select photo or PDF. So we want to select PDF. Okay, and now this document is scanning. Okay, if you want to scan the second one, open up the scanner, stick the second document you want to scan on top of the scanner, close it, go back again to the image garden, click scan. Okay, click scan. So the second page is scanning. Okay, so what I selected is PDF. From the image garden, you need to select PDF document. If you are scanning photo, then you need to select photo. So we selected PDF, and this document now is scanned. Okay, now the next you need to do is select. So you can do this as many as you like. Then once you finish, select exit. Okay, and the document we scan is here. This is the document we scan. Click it open. This is the document we scan. Sometimes I get a question, how do you save this document, or how do you find it? To save this document, what you need to do, you need to go to on top file. So go to select file. Okay, now scroll down to save. Now you save this document where you want to save it. Okay, so this document now I want to save it. So you can select browse and decide where you want to save it. I want to save it the document folder. Click OK. And also you can write something on it for you to be able to remember it. And also from the setting you can select PDF, okay, or add page or multiple page. You can select, scroll down to select basic PDF. And also you can also save this document, add something on it. My document, okay, you can select, you can write anything to remember this document. Okay, click save. So this document now is saved, the document. Okay, if you want to print this document out, then you go back again to the file on top. Okay, select file, select print. Instead of save, you select print. Okay, once you select print, then you wait for, okay, and then you need to select the correct printer from the setting, printer setting. So scroll down to select correct printer, TX7400 series. Okay, and you select the source. You can select the media type A4 paper and also the plain paper. Automatic source, paper source, you can select automatic, or you select from rear or from the casket. You can select automatic select. Now go to print range. You can select print all. Now if you go to advanced setting, okay, then you select the quality, print quality. Okay, so from the high standard or standard one from the advanced setting, Once you've done that, then you select print. So this document now is going to print out. Okay. Sometimes if you send this document, if it's not, okay, you can see it's coming. What I was gonna do is for us to go back and check to make sure we selected the correct printer, but the document now is printing out. This is the first one. So this is the document we scanned and printed it out. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. I just want to make sure that you just need to select the file. Okay, so go on top, select file to save it. You can also select file for you to print it. So if you select the file, it gives you option for you to save or print. So once you select file, it gives you option for you to select the file on top. It gives you option to save, print or exit. Okay, now if you want to check the document we save, this document we save, okay, then you go to your file explorer. This is the file explorer, and go to my document. So you go to the document depending on where you save this document. So you scroll down, okay, and look for the document you save. So what you need to do is scroll down and look for the document what you save it with. You can also check the date, okay, when you scan this document. You can also scroll down to check the date. Okay, so other thing to do, you can use the date to check the date today. Okay, if you can't, you can type today's date. Okay, and here, this is the document. So you can type today's date for you to be able to know the document, the particular date. So you can type the date, you scan this document, and this is the document we scan. Here we go. This is the document. Okay, this is the document we scan. Now, something I noticed is we only save the first page, so you need to make sure you save all the documents. Okay, you need to make sure you go to the image. Okay, we only save the second page, so you want to save the second page, you need to select it and select save. Okay, click save, then you save the document. Okay, and click save. So this document now is saved, so you need to save each one. Okay, then go back to File Explorer and look for this this is the second one. Okay, this is the second one we save now. Okay, here we go. You can see both of the dot. So you need to make sure to save the two documents, you need to go at the bottom one and select the button. Okay, so to save the document, instead of saving only the first, it will only save the first one. But if you want to save all of them, then you need to select the button of the second page. Okay, then select file, so it will save all the documents. So initially we only save the first page, but if you want to save all of them, you need to select the second page, then for you to be able to save all of them. Now the other thing I want to show you, pretty much our job here is done. The other thing I want to show you is, now when you selected the document to print it out, you can also print it out in this way by selecting the printer from here, from the top. You select the printer. When you select the printer, it gives you option for you to scroll down from the top here to select the printer you want to print this out from. So we are going looking for Canon TX740 series is what we are looking for. Here we go, and the printer is ready. Select on it. Now the next thing you need to do is to print double-sided. You scroll down to select to print all, select the color, and also to print double-sided you need to scroll down and select print on both sides. Select print. So this document now is going to print out, okay, here double-sided. We just need to wait. Here we go. So now please wait momentarily. So it's printing. It's going back inside. Remember, we selected color. You can change the color from color to black and white. This is the document we scanned, printed it out, double-sided, colored. Okay. Now the other thing I want to show you is, if you want to send this document to somebody, you can attach it to your inbox. Okay. What you need to do is you close it, close here. Now go to your inbox. So if you go to your inbox, okay, email address inbox. Now you select new, so you select start new. Okay, now select insert from the top, select insert. Now you scroll to the file and look for this document. So go to where you save this document. You save this document in the document folder. Okay, so this is the document. Okay, then you scroll to the side and look for this document you saved on that particular day. Okay, so what I'm doing now is looking for the document. You can also type the date, okay, to search. So you put the date on top. Okay, so if you put the date on top, it will show you the document. So scroll down and look for the document. So go to the document, okay, then you scroll down. Like I said, the other thing you can do is just put the date, 31st. Okay, and you can see the document, the two of them on top. So this is the first and second document. This is okay. Then you select on it, click open. The document now is inside that inbox. Then you type the email address of the person you want to send this to. Okay, type the email address of the person. I want to send this back to myself. Click send. Put the email address of the person. Then you send it. So this document now is sent to my inbox. The other thing to do is you go to the sent. Okay, go to the sent. Open it up. So this is the document we sent. Then download it. Okay, you can see this is the first and second one. So this is how to attach the document from your inbox. Then you send it, share it with anybody you want to send this to. Okay, and the document we send just landed in my inbox. Select on it. Okay, so this is the document we just landed my inbox. So you go to the inbox, okay, and select it open. This is the document. So this is how to scan your document. Okay, print it out, and share, double-sided, and do so many other things. If you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you and stay blessed.